Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to add an event in the Calendar app on your iPhone. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. First, open the Calendar app on your iPhone. Now tap on the date on which you want to add an event. Next, tap on the plus icon in the top right corner of the screen. Here, add a title for your event. For example, I will type YouTube. Now, tap on location and enter the location. I will set it to New York. Next, you can schedule the start and end time for the event. Now, tap on time zone and select your preferred time zone. For example, I will select New York. You can also make other changes like setting alerts, notes, or repeating the event. Once everything is set, tap on the tick icon in the top right corner. Your event will now be saved to the calendar. Now you have successfully added an event in the Calendar app on your iPhone. Thanks for watching.